Description. Unite conditioner is a lightweight yet extremely reparative conditioner that's designed to deliver next-level repair and protection. Benefits. Repairs damaged hair, rebuilds and re-strengthens cuticle and replenishes protects. Suggested use. Following Unite shampoo. Apply Unite conditioner from roots to ends. Leave in for 1 to 3 minutes, then rinse. Est.2003. Unite Hair was founded in 2003 on the belief that beautiful hair starts with great products. CEO and founder, Andrew Dale used his experience as a celebrity hairdresser to develop a top-performing and easy-to-use collection that caters to all hair types. No bad stuff, just good results. The American-made line contains over 45 versatile and cruelty-free products made without parabens, sodium chloride, sulfates, harsh chemicals, and residues. 3.5+ million bottles. So good, the OG Product 7 SECONDS Detangler is still a staple since making its debut 17 years ago. To date, the Detangler, conditioner and UV Plus protectant hybrid has sold 3.5 million bottles, and counting. Top reviews from the United States. Reunite conditioner makes hair feel great and easy to manage. My hair was beginning to show the effects of daily swimming, sun and coloring. I just tried this Unite reconditioned and love the way it made my hair feel.